Unraveling, the bottom line, a guide to understanding its meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, the bottom line. This expression is widely used in both business contexts and everyday conversations, but what does it really mean? Stick around as we break it down for you, making it easy to understand and use in your own conversations. The phrase, the bottom line, originally comes from the world of finance and accounting. In a financial statement, the bottom line refers to the final total figure or net income displayed at the bottom of the statement. It represents the essential outcome after all calculations have been made. This term has been borrowed and figuratively used in everyday language to signify the most important aspect of a situation, decision, or discussion. In everyday conversations and discussions, the bottom line is used to highlight the most important fact in a situation, summarizing the key point or the main takeaway. It's like saying, what this all really means is, or, the most important thing to remember is. This phrase helps to cut through the noise and focus on what truly matters. Examples in sentences. In business, the bottom line is we need to increase sales to continue growing. In personal advice, the bottom line is that your happiness matters the most. In negotiations, the bottom line is we can't go any lower than this price. Understanding and using the phrase, the bottom line, can greatly improve your communication skills, especially in professional settings. It helps you to be clear and concise. By focusing on the bottom line, you can convey your message more directly, making it easier for others to understand your point. Prioritize information. This phrase helps you to highlight the most critical information in discussions or presentations. Make decisions. Emphasizing the bottom line can aid in decision-making processes, guiding the focus towards the outcome or goal. So, there you have it, the essence of the bottom line. It's a powerful phrase that cuts to the heart of the matter, whether you're discussing business strategies, giving advice, or summarizing a complex situation. We hope this video helps you grasp its meaning and encourages you to start using it confidently in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video.